It's about 1:45 p.m. In New York, and pretty uneventful day here. Stocks are trading mixed. Some of you might recognize here the interface of E-Trade. I've been working here about 15 minutes today and 15 minutes last night. Here you see some of my short positions. And once again, do not buy or sell a stock short because I'm doing so, or I'm saying so, or anyone on the internet is telling you to do so. I recommend that you do your own study and due diligence. Now, here, those are the daily gain. The daily gains that I am just about to take. Some of those positions now I'm going to buy to cover, and I don't know if I'm going to cover the whole position or just a few line items. Nonetheless, I do take some profits today here. I also wanted to make a case study of this one company, which is Westrock Coffee. Now today on this company I'm up $325. Now I'm gonna take again a good portion of these profits, and you do the math. Okay. Of course, now this one position that I have of Westrock, I have 3 line items on this one position, and I don't know if I'm gonna take all of it, but definitely here I got $223. I am definitely gonna take it. Before I do the Westrock company, let's see why I shorted it in the first place. This is a company I've been shorting and taking profits as the price goes down. Those are the fundamentals. It's a fairly new stocks, only been trading about 4 years. We have a 4-year worth of fundamentals, and I usually look at the net income, and they've been losing money. Last year they lost 34 billion. Let's see the share outstanding here. Share outstanding going in an uptrend, so they are diluting the shareholders. Here, asset and liabilities. Usually cash on hand. They have 26 billion in cash. What type of debt? They have over 300 million in debt.
Well, it's interesting because Kamala Harris said last night that if Donald Trump
liabilities, they have about $1 billion in liabilities. Let's see the price over the past year, or 2 years rather. I would see here there is a downtrend. the 50-day moving average in the black line and the 200-day moving average in the red, and this is where the 50-day moving average crosses the 200-day moving average. That's also being called the death cross, because it's when the stock is gonna plummet. So I've looked at the fundamentals, a little bit of the technicals. For me, it's enough to state that this company was a candidate to be a short, and I did it. The other thing that I usually do is I look at the on marketbeat.com and see what the insider trading is going. And here basically they've been selling the major stakeholders. July 2024. Again, this is November 2023, July 2024. I sorted it by the total transaction, but definitely, if the insider traders are selling, it's a sign. And also, they were selling at the average price of about $10 a share, while the price now it's about $7.5. The other thing that you can do here is to look at the short interest. Here they have about 6% of the float shorted, and about 30 days to cover the shorts. For me, this was a candidate, and I'm still of that opinion. Now this is Seeking Alpha. You can look through here to the estimates, the earnings, the margins. Here they got about 18 gross profit margin, net income it's down 5%, return on equity 14.5%, return on assets. Market cap about 696 million. They got more than $500 million in debt, and they only have about 25 million in the bank. So this looks to me like a struggling company. They don't have a lot of history either. Once again, the short interest is 6%. It falls just about right. 5.5 million of shares shorted and 28 days to cover. That means that there is a lot of short position there. Well, I was gonna now wrap it up. Once again, I hope you guys are having a good day. The market started off the day with huge losses. Now it's paring some of those losses. Here I was up even more early this morning, but now it's time to take some of those profits, definitely on Beyond. The other one, I'm gonna profit on Rocket Pharmaceutical. I'm gonna close all of these positions. I do have a position on Walgreens. That's another struggling company, and so on. Okay, so here you can do the math. Those are daily gains. Okay, you can do the math. A couple hundred here, a couple hundred there, $100 here, $100 there. I'm gonna now wrap it up so that I can do all my covers. I hope you guys are having a good day, as much as I am. Once again, if you're interested in getting more information, feel free to reach out. If you are outside the United States and you wanna invest in the U.S. Stock market, feel free to reach out. And if you are indeed in the States but you don't meet the requirements for a margin account, feel free to reach out. Well, thank you very much, everybody, and